I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. This will be the last time you'll see us in this project because we're wrapping up. They're moving in next week. So we just want to give you a glimpse of pretty much the finished product. We got a few punch list things to do and we'll show you that. But here,
there was a door here that went actually outside and no longer. We got rid of the door. We closed up this wall so that we could expand a bathroom that's now on the other side of this wall. So really it looks like it was never even there.
We were never here.
So that's what's kind of cool here is we basically now have a room that will function as the owner's music room. So.
Yes, and then all the floor that you see, I think last time, if you're following along with this particular house, which is out, we're kind of on our way towards Bernie, North San Antonio, kind of in between. And this is a porcelain style large format tile, and it's very industrial looking, so it's a representative of like a stained concrete look.
Yeah.
And they love the look, so we ran it pretty much almost all the way through the house. And all the common areas.
That's right.
So it ran through here, and then on the other side, this is the bathroom that Mike was talking about. That we closed in.
That wall we got rid of, we needed to do so we could make room for a shower that we built right here. And we actually took that door and we reused it here. So this is now also a pool bath because the pool that is being built can access here and take a shower, which Molly's going to do.
Well, this is one of the things we need to do still. That's happening this week. But yeah, this is where the door was.
There was a door right there.
Yeah. So there's a video of me in a shower. So hopefully that won't scare anybody.
And we're waiting for a countertop to come in, which is one of the last items to get done anyways. So it's really cool. Again, the floor carries through here and then goes out into the kitchen and continues through the main living area. So it's really kind of one continuous flooring when it's the same throughout, not a whole bunch of choppy different floors.
And one of the things about the floor, which, you know, this is our path, so we always cover up the path. But the floor we did, this grout color is something that's, I just wanted to point out because we made it specifically like a darker color so it would just go away. In other words, your tile is the showpiece.
Right. You're not drawn to the grout.
The flooring is the showpiece. You're not looking at the grout.
Right.
It just kind of makes it go away, and it's all seamless. But this is the rest of the tile. So there is a lot of work that we did in this area as well. When the original house was built, the cabinets really weren't finished all that great.
No.
They were rough and everything, so we refinished all the cabinets. This vent hood we had mentioned that we had moved up, right? So the homeowner.
Well, the homeowner's a little taller.
He's tall.
You know, like me. So we ripped out a cabinet, built a new cabinet, and raised this up to make it better for the homeowner.
So these were existing cabinets, but this one up here is all brand new. And just like the door in the other room, you can't really tell that it's new. Can ya? So anyway, but that is the gist of what we're doing here. We have been in the master suite, redid their entire closet. You could see that on some earlier videos if you hop on our YouTube page, and then you can see how the progression is of this project. And it's come along great.
Yep.
We got a make-ready crew coming.
A couple of days.
In a couple of days.
A countertop, a faucet, and we're good to go. And we got it done just exactly as predicted. We were anticipating around the middle of July we'd be finished, and that's exactly where we're at.
On budget.
And on time. Gotta love it.
Like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the wrap-up of this project. And you stay tuned for the next Behind the Drywall, where we'll be at another project and show you a little bit behind the drywall.
so to speak.
What's happening?
Thanks.
So we'll see you next time. Bye.